Tips to keep your digestive system healthy. Your digestive system is responsible for breaking down the food you eat, absorbing the nutrients your body needs, and eliminating waste. A healthy digestive system is important for good nutrition and overall health. In this video, we will be discussing some of the best tips to keep your digestive system healthy and functioning at its best. Eat a high-fiber diet. A high-fiber diet can help keep your digestive system healthy by promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, so it passes through the digestive system relatively unchanged. This makes it an ideal substance for promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Avoid processed foods. The human digestive system is a complex and sensitive network of organs and tissues that work together to process the food we eat. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy additives like sugar, salt, and fat, which can disrupt the delicate balance of the digestive system. Eating a diet of mostly unprocessed, whole foods can help keep your digestive system healthy and functioning properly. Stay hydrated. One of the most important things you can do for your digestive system is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps keep the digestive tract moist and moving. This prevents constipation and helps reduce the risk of gastrointestinal problems such as hemorrhoids, anal fissures, and diverticular disease. Exercise regularly. Exercise is beneficial for many aspects of health, including the digestive system. Exercise can help to keep the digestive system healthy by promoting regularity, improving circulation, and helping to maintain a healthy weight. Get adequate sleep. There is a close relationship between the digestive system and the sleep cycle. When we are asleep, our bodies are able to rest and repair. This process of repair is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The digestive system is a complex and intricate part of the human body. It is responsible for absorbing the nutrients that we need to survive, as well as other essential components, such as water and electrolytes. The better care that you take of your digestive system, the healthier it will be. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.